30 minutes earlier, the journey begins. A family full of excitement for the adventure ahead. Their smiles say it all.
Our train leaves soon. Stay close to me, Lily.
We had fun on our trip. Now let's catch our train.
In the rush of the station, Lily's teddy bear keychain slips away. It falls to the floor, and her worry takes over. She reaches for it while her parents walk on.
Mom? Dad! Mom, Dad! Mom, Dad! Mom, Dad!
Lily, where are you?
Lily! Lily!
Excuse me, have you seen a little girl?
Mom said if I am lost, I must find someone in uniform. I need to find a person in uniform. I can do this. I will find help. There she is! She is wearing a uniform. I will go to her. She can help me. Excuse me, I am lost. I cannot find my mom and dad. My mom said to find someone in uniform. Can you please help me?
Of course, little one, do not worry. I will help you find your family. What is your name, little one?
My name is Lily.
Do not worry, Lily. I will help you.
Thank you. My mom and dad are lost too.
Calling in. We have a lost child, Lily. We will find them very soon. Come with me. Please help us! Our daughter Lily is lost!
She is 8 years old. She has a pink jacket.
Do not worry. I will make an announcement now. Attention passengers. An 8-year-old girl named Lily is lost. She wears a pink jacket. Please bring her to the information desk. Please find her quickly!
I was scared too, but I found help.
Lily, my baby, you are safe! We were so scared. We love you so much. She was very brave. She is a good girl. Lily, if you ever get lost again, remember this. Stay calm. Look for someone in uniform. They will help you.
I will remember, Mom. I will find someone in uniform.
We are so proud of you. We will always stay together.
Remember, Lily, if you are lost, stay calm and find someone in uniform.
I will remember, Mom. I will always hold your hand.
Remember to stay close to your family when you travel. Thank you for watching this slow English story. Please like, subscribe, and tell me in Tans what you learned today.